Good job. Where's his toes at?
Huh?
Maybe you should tickle his toes. He likes that.
Oh. I like that. I'm all done.
You're done with your apron.
Yeah. I'm all done.
You gonna give Ryan a hug and kiss? Oh, it's it's silly Ryan. Silly Ryan. Oh, silly Ryan. Oh, he sneezed.
What's this?
It's a pacifier. Think he wants it?
It says Ryan.
Silly Ryan. There you go. There you go. You made him feel better. Good job, Trevor. Oh, no, leave it in, Trevor. He doesn't like that game very much. It's okay, though. You help him again?
I don't want it.
He wants it. You want to give it to him again? Okay. Good job. Here, I'll help you take... I'll help you take your apron off now. Come here.